Hi viewers, welcome to Math Enthusiast. Today I am going to deal with a sum based on the property of the triangle. So this sum appeared in the Achievers section of IMO for class 8. So this looks like a complicated sum, but let's see how we can derive it very easily. Okay, so let me read the question first. The question is, find the sum of the angles A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So these are the angles marked in the given figure. So we have to find the sum of the angles. So let me go methodically as to how we can derive the answer. So as we know, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we see 4 triangles here. So let's take each individually. So when we take this triangle, so this angle, consider this angle to be 1. Angle 1. Okay. So this angle 1 will be equal to 180 degree minus of A plus B. Right? Since the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, this angle 1 will be equal to 180 minus of the sum of these two angles. And let's consider this to be angle 2. And angle 2 will be equal to 180 minus of the sum of C plus D. And if we consider this to be angle 3, then angle 3 will be equal to 180 minus of angle E plus angle F. And if suppose this angle to be 4, angle 4 will be equal to 180 minus of H plus G. Okay, so I'm sure we must be clear until this part. Okay, now how are we going to find the sum of these angles? Okay, so these two, angle 1 and this angle, are opposite angles. Right? So the opposite angles are equal. So if this is angle 1, this should also be angle 1. And this is angle 2, this should also be angle 2. And this is angle 3, this should also be angle 3. This should be angle 4. Right? Why this is equal? Because these two lines bisect and the corresponding angles will be equal, right? So now we know that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree, right? So we are going to substitute, instead of angle 1, we are going to substitute these values. So it will be 180 minus of A plus B plus angle 2 will be 180 minus of B plus, C plus D. Angle 3 will be 180 minus of E plus F plus angle 4 will be 180 minus of G plus H, and this is equal to 360 degrees. Yes, I hope it's clear until now. Okay. So when we add the numerals, there are 4 180s, right? So it becomes 720 degrees, and minus of rest A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H will be equal to 360 degrees. So our question is to find the sum of the angles, right? This is what we want to arrive at. So when we take the term to this side and when we bring 360 degree to this side, we'll arrive at 720 minus 360 will be equal to the sum of the angles. and that is equal to 360 degree. So this is the much easiest way of deriving this equation. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos.